when you have a 3rd-degree ankle sprain and you're getting old. You gotta ice up, son. Does this look ridiculous?
Yes.
It is 3:30 a.m. and we're going to hike Halfdome. It's like an hour drive over there, and we're trying to get started before sunrise. We're actually going to get there right at sunrise now. I just looked it up. Halfdome today.
6 a.m.
You can't see it right here, but it's all the way up there. Getting started at 6 a.m. 5:55.
We woke up at 3:30.
Yeah. Let's do it. When they said light and mist, did not expect us to get rained on. You want to try to swim and then get out before the waterfall? We're halfway to Halfdome?
Halfway to Halfdome.
Halfway. Half of Halfdome. We've done half of Halfdome.
No, just half to Halfdome.
Deal. 2 miles. Man, we got it. The guide said be careful because there are really aggressive squirrels and ravens as you get up on top of Halfdome. That is hilarious. He showed us this bag that was like torn up by them. Amanda, you gotta watch out for the aggressive squirrels, okay?
Okay. We're about to do the cables on Halfdome.
The cables on Halfdome. Look at that. Took us 5 hours and 45 minutes.
Okay, and that's counting like from the parking lot, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So really, it's
not bad.
a 5.5 hour hike. Switching over to the GoPro now. We are getting ready to hike. Thank you so much. All right, thanks. Rest spot there, right? Is there enough space for me to join you? How you feeling?
It's hard.
It's hard. Wow, we are so close.
We made it. Yes.
All right. Were the cables harder or not as hard as you expected?
Harder.
Harder?
Yeah, because it's so much upper body, and I mean, I can do about 20 push-ups straight, which isn't that much, but maybe for a girl.
And you can do a pull-up.
Yeah, kinda. I mean, and my arms were shaking. So I feel like your grip strength and like holding on is so hard. But
The cables are all upper body.
yeah, I didn't realize they were gonna be all upper body. But I think going down will be easier. A lot of people have said going down is easier.
I hope they're right.
Hopeful.
This is gorgeous. I mean, I don't know any other views like this. back down the cable, baby. You did it. Harder than Angel's Landing?
Oh, like 10 times.
And what'd you think about the cables?
Hated them, but they were fine.
You're here.
I'm here.
You made it. Proud of you. Man, a turnaround. We just hiked that.
I can't believe that.
That's unreal.
Crazy.
Thoughts, tips?
Going down, I was telling you earlier that like you kind of have to embrace the slide. Like as your hands slide, like I went backwards, you went forward, but as you go backwards, like you just your feet kind of slide some spots and your hands slide. You just let it happen. You don't freak out. I freaked out on one. It's fine.
You're here.
I'm here.
We are so done with peanut butter and banana sandwiches.
Yep.
It would have kind of been nice at the top of Half Dome to have like ice cream and a steak. Put my iPhone away so I can. You want my hand?
Yeah, my
I'm already married. Probably should just drink my sweat. We're almost out of water.
We're feeling our age.
Trying to do stuff in Yosemite with a 3rd-degree ankle sprain. Probably shouldn't do too much. I just had to do these hikes, but
Your name is stubborn.
I don't know if you can tell, but it is just constantly pouring on us right now. We made it. Flat ground at last.
Way too long.
That was a 14-hour day. Needless to say, tomorrow we are going to rest up.